Have you ever wondered whether you should pick up the phone or head out in person when you need help or have a question? In our fast-paced world, knowing when to call and when to visit can save you time, energy, and sometimes even money. Today, we'll break down the key situations where a phone call is best and when it's worth making the trip in person. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about making the right choice for any scenario. Choosing between calling and visiting isn't just about convenience. It can impact how quickly you get answers, how well your needs are understood, and even how satisfied you feel with the outcome. Sometimes, a quick call can resolve things instantly, while other times, being there in person makes all the difference. Let's explore why making the right choice matters for your daily life. A good rule of thumb is to call when you need quick information or to check availability, and to go in person when your issue is complex, sensitive, or requires paperwork. This guideline can help you decide in most situations, but there are always exceptions. Let's dive deeper into specific examples to make this even clearer. If you have a simple question, like store hours, appointment availability, or whether a product is in stock, calling is usually your best bet. A phone call is fast, direct, and saves you a trip. Most businesses are happy to answer these types of questions over the phone, and you'll get the information you need in just a few minutes. Need to confirm a reservation, check on a delivery, or verify an address? These are perfect reasons to call. Confirming details over the phone is efficient and ensures you have the most up-to-date information before making any plans or heading out. In emergencies, calling is often the fastest way to get help. Whether it's a medical emergency, a fire, or a security concern, dialing the appropriate number connects you with professionals who can respond immediately. Remember, in urgent situations, time is critical, and a phone call can save lives. Scheduling appointments, meetings, or services is often easier over the phone. You can quickly discuss available times, ask questions, and get confirmation. This is especially useful for doctors, salons, or service providers who may have changing schedules. If you've already visited or spoken with someone and just need a quick update, a follow-up call is usually all you need. This saves you time and keeps the process moving without unnecessary trips. Sometimes, you might need to clarify instructions or ask for more details about a process. Calling allows you to get answers right away and ask follow-up questions if something isn't clear. Many services can be handled remotely these days. For example, tech support, banking inquiries, or customer service issues can often be resolved with a phone call, saving you the hassle of traveling. If your situation is complicated or involves multiple steps, it's often better to go in person. For example, resolving billing disputes, handling legal matters, or discussing sensitive topics is usually more effective face-to-face. Being there allows for clearer communication and immediate problem solving. Some tasks require your physical presence, especially when paperwork or signatures are involved. Opening a bank account, signing contracts, or submitting official documents are all situations where you'll need to go in person. For medical issues that require examination, diagnosis, or treatment, visiting in person is essential. While you can call for advice, only a healthcare professional can properly assess your condition face-to-face. Sometimes, being there in person is about more than just solving a problem. Meeting face-to-face helps build trust and strengthen relationships, whether it's with a new doctor, a business partner, or a service provider. If you need to see something for yourself, like inspecting a rental property, checking a product's quality, or reviewing a repair, going in person is the way to go. Visual inspections can't be done over the phone and are crucial for making informed decisions. Some situations simply can't be handled remotely. For example, if you're locked out, need immediate medical attention, or have an urgent legal issue, going in person is necessary. These scenarios require direct action and can't wait for a phone call. Services that require physical presence, like haircuts, dental work, or car repairs, obviously need you to be there. These can't be done over the phone, so plan to visit in person for any hands-on service. If your issue is sensitive or private, visiting in person can help protect your confidentiality. Discussing personal matters face-to-face ensures your information stays secure and is less likely to be overheard or misunderstood. Negotiations, whether for a job, a contract, or a major purchase, are often more successful in person. Being there allows you to read body language, build rapport, and respond in real time to offers and counteroffers. If you're learning something new that requires demonstration or hands-on practice, being there in person is invaluable. Whether it's a cooking class, a workshop, or a training session, you'll benefit from direct interaction and feedback. Participating in community events, meetings, or social gatherings is all about being present. These experiences can't be replicated over the phone and are important for building connections and staying involved. Birthdays, weddings, graduations, and other special occasions are best experienced in person. Your presence shows support and helps create lasting memories that a phone call simply can't provide. If you have a serious complaint or need to escalate an issue, visiting in person can be more effective. Face-to-face communication often leads to faster resolutions and shows you're serious about getting results. If you've lost something valuable at a business or public place, going in person increases your chances of recovering it. Staff can help you search, and you can provide a detailed description on the spot. Some payments, especially large sums or official fees, are best handled in person. This ensures your payment is processed correctly and you receive a receipt or confirmation right away. Picking up important items like documents, packages, or prescriptions usually requires you to go in person. This ensures you get what you need and can address any issues right away. Legal documents often require your physical signature and sometimes a witness or notary. In these cases, you must go in person to ensure everything is handled properly and legally. Opening new accounts, whether at a bank or another institution, usually requires you to be present. This allows staff to verify your identity and complete all necessary paperwork. Returning products, especially expensive or large items, is best done in person. This way, you can ensure the return is processed correctly and address any questions or concerns immediately. For repairs or maintenance that require your input or approval, being there in person is important. You can discuss the issue directly, approve work, and ensure everything meets your expectations. When moving to a new home or city, many tasks require your presence. From signing leases to setting up utilities, being there in person ensures a smooth transition and helps avoid misunderstandings. For school-related issues, like enrolling a child, meeting teachers, or attending conferences, visiting in person is usually required. This helps build relationships and ensures clear communication. Many government services, like applying for a passport or renewing a driver's license, require you to be there in person. This ensures your identity is verified and all requirements are met. Voting in person is often required for official elections. This ensures your vote is counted and you follow all legal procedures. Some places offer mail-in options, but in-person voting remains the standard in many areas. For complex travel arrangements, like group bookings or visa applications, visiting in person can help avoid mistakes and ensure all details are correct. Travel agents and officials can answer questions and provide guidance face-to-face. If your technical issue can't be resolved remotely, visiting a service center or store is necessary. In-person support allows technicians to diagnose and fix the problem directly. Arranging childcare, whether it's for daycare, babysitting, or school, often requires a visit. Meeting caregivers and seeing the environment in person helps ensure your child's safety and comfort. For pet grooming, veterinary care, or boarding, you'll need to go in person. This ensures your pet receives proper attention and you can discuss any special needs directly with the staff. For home repairs, cleaning, or installations, being present ensures the job is done to your satisfaction. You can answer questions, approve work, and address any issues right away. Some deliveries, especially valuable or sensitive items, require your signature. Being there in person ensures you receive the package and can address any issues immediately. Filing insurance claims, especially for major incidents, often requires an in-person visit. This allows you to provide documentation, answer questions, and ensure your claim is processed correctly. Resolving disputes or participating in mediation is best done in person. Face-to-face communication helps prevent misunderstandings and allows for more effective problem solving. Finalizing important agreements, like buying a home or closing a business deal, usually requires you to be present. This ensures all parties are on the same page and everything is completed correctly. Goodbyes, whether for a friend moving away or a loved one passing, are deeply personal moments. Being there in person allows you to show support, share memories, and say farewell in a meaningful way. Knowing when to call and when to go in person can make your life easier and more efficient. Remember, call for quick questions, confirmations, or remote services. Go in person for complex, sensitive, or hands-on needs. By following these guidelines, you'll save time, avoid frustration, and get better results in any situation. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right choice makes all the difference.